The thought process of soup is very soothing and warming and nurturing, so the combination of the food value as well as what soup does emotionally for someone were really a very intentional parts of why we picked bean-based products when we started making soups. We wanted to bring in the local aspect of a renowned chef providing recipes to not only boost sales for the project, but to bring new credibility and to bring really quality products to our product line.
My name is Michel Strout, and I have been the executive chef at the Golden Door for over 25 years. And some 16, 17 years ago, Debra Secchi, the founder of the Golden Door, and Rancho La Puerta, asked me to contribute to the Tomorrow Project. And she asked me to formulate a soup. So I came up with this 7-spice bean soup, which I created in the kitchen at the Golden Door. Debra Secchi loved it very, very much. I even gave it to the guests with a great approval. And so we came with that, and I gave it to the ladies. And it is one of the best-selling soups here at the Tomorrow Project. Besides myself, there are other chefs that are creating the soups, and there are, I believe, about 7 or 8 different soups. And also Deborah Schneider came out with some spice rubs that are very, very popular. And also, I believe she made a muffin mix last year, which is also a great seller. So there are many, many chefs here who are local chefs who are very interested in helping the project besides myself. It's a gift that it's not like a toy. It's something that you're giving in 2 ways, because you're also giving back for the soup in a way that you're helping the ladies here at the center.